dignitaries on the dais, Shri Professor Dr. Varunji, Commodore Nagpalji, Shri Ramarao Desai, Wagji, and our hero of this evening, that is our very own Goan Tony Saldana. Digital transformation fail. I think a lot have been explained by our dignitaries, professor, and especially Mr. Dr. Varun. He has explained to us everything. And I think when we speak about digital, one immediate thought what we get is our Prime Minister Narendra Ji Modi in 2014, his first speech of Digital India. And when he speaks about Digital India, 130 crore population, with a click of a button, he says that you will get things. And there we go on. And I think Goa, when we speak about digital, we have so many departments of government of Goa, and new consultants come in. I think there are some government officers over here. They will agree with me. Good new consultants come in. They give us long presentations. Now I am handling waste management. They give me so many different presentations. And actually the basic things what is required on day-to-day basis. You go to collector's office for a simple certificate. They will give it to you on your mobile or on your mail. He'll send it to you on mail, but practically it doesn't come. They say we have sent, but it doesn't come. So it has failed, but we cannot say that let us stop this. This is the basic things I'm talking about. The Goan people, what we are facing at the smallest level. So the children who are computer savvy, like digital, they want to ask online. But here we are having so many different types of problems in Goa. First of all, they say servers are down, then they say there is no network. And then we see even from the young kids to the elders going for a signal like this. They take the mobile like this, they go like this, from this end to that end. So we are just coming up. India is just coming out from the shell of this digital, but definitely you are an asset to the world, and we require your help. We require your help, not only in Goa. I think Narendra Ji Modi, our Honorable Prime Minister, will definitely invite you at his official place to discuss with you, because he is very he wants India to go digital in every way, not only in the defense sector, but in every way. I still remember our ex Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, when I met him first in 2004. I used to meet him earlier than that, but when I met him first as to discuss about Parra village, so he reminded me of our watermelon. He's got a watermelon story of Parra. Parra watermelons are famous in Goa, and he asked me, how tumchi kaळगा koshi aha? So I used to eat watermelons in my young days. So I म्हटलं ती काळगा आहात पण तिथले लोक राहीना, आड मरे म्हाका एक, means bring for me one. So next day I go early in the morning with the watermelon for him at his house. So the watermelon was only so big. Earlier he used to eat so big watermelon. So he's saying, what happened to this watermelon? I said, this is the only watermelon which is available now. He said, maybe the good seed is not there now. Can you revive this? He said, how do I revive this? I asked him. So I went back to those farmers. I called a small meeting. अरे बाबा म्हटलं ती काळंगा जी आहा ती actually ती व्हडली कशी जातली ना, आधी असली बाबा ती मोठी, आता ती ना मोठी, आता आम्ही ते बीत ना म्हणाले. सो Parikarji, when I met him again, he said, revive it, go to a good company, so you use technology. So we took help from Syngenta, and today if you see our watermelons back again, they are such big ones, and those real taste of those days. So it took for them nearly 1 long year to revive our watermelons, and I think that we need to preserve all these old traditions of ours are there and culture, like our professor has said. And this is one thing which Manoharji said, that this is your identity. Para means watermelons. Like that we have in every village. Like we have different things like chilies. I think chilies are very famous in where Madam stays. Madam Kerkar stays. Chilies are very famous over there. And now you don't see those chilies anymore. I think we require technology to revive all these things, and back again those seeds. Those seeds are still there, and people are still growing. Maybe 2-3 farmers are growing, but you will find so small chilies. Earlier they were so big, very spicy, very tasty. Now those things have gone, but we can still revive them. But we require help. Likewise, I told you, like we have so many consultants coming in, promising us very big things. But when they deliver, they just give it to us, they sign and they are gone. And our offices suffer. We say we are digital on paper, but in reality it is not true. And all the government offices, we have a lot of problems in every department when it comes to digitalizations. There are various problems, various issues and failures. But definitely if you train some youth in Goa who are good in digital world, definitely they can help us. And there are good consultants also in Goa. So if we can get your expertise to our youth of Goa, who are small consultants in Goa, who can help the government offices revive our digital technology, then we will get the real help, instead of we government spending thousands of rupees, lakhs of rupees to adopt something. They give us something and they just go away. It really does not work. And I think definitely science and technology, we have adopted new technologies. We are treating waste. We treat waste to energy. I think some Navin Times reporter is over here. He accompanied us to see all this, how waste is being treated into energy. We went to 3 countries officially from Goa. That was the first revolution which took place as far as waste is concerned. And science and technology, our department also added the main word called waste in science and technology. And we started treating waste for the first very time in Goa, in our constituency of Kalangut. I don't know whether you have come to our place where 1,20,000 square meter has been acquired by the government, and we have built a state-of-the-art treatment facility. I would request you to come with us and see this facility in your very own village, Saligaon and Kalangut, but it is in Kalangut, but the entry is from Saligaon. So definitely Goa is growing in every direction. Like it's a tourist destination, but digital transformations are required and is the need of the hour. And this can be used not only privately. We want it, the government wants it, but we are lagging behind in various fields. So we request your help, like everybody said. And I thank you, especially that you being a Goan origin and heart and everything from Goa, that you have released your book over here, and this will help the youth who wants to make take your ideas and transform Goa and India. I thank you once again for inviting me, and especially our teacher, Mrs. Vaz, and giving me this opportunity to speak. God bless, and definitely we will make use of your ideas, and we want you to be part of transformation of digital transformation of all the government sectors in Goa, especially all the offices. Thank you.